Hilaan and of course. And then we go and what up the kids, we follow outside, and then we go behind where the birds are like eating some fish, we do the pita, no? Papadong kayo sa buya, nagpupuyo sa bakit. Guys, that's this one, ano, they can take photos right on top of this.
Kanta na. We're here. Hello, hello, hello. Island Gods Philippines. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, makuhaan to. Oh, Marian. My voice cannot help.
Nangyari sa kanya. Saya lifestyle, baby.
Uy, naluya na kanil.
Like a king.
King do kanil.